Have you ever wondered if your crypto wallet is actually an exchange in disguise? It's a common question, especially with so many platforms offering various services. We hear a lot of terms thrown around: wallets, exchanges, custodians, non-custodial, and it can get pretty confusing. Understanding the fundamental difference between a cryptocurrency wallet and an exchange is crucial for anyone involved in the crypto space, whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out. It's not just about jargon, it's about control, security, and how you interact with your digital assets. So, let's clear things up. Is Bifrost Wallet an exchange? The short answer is no. Bifrost Wallet is not an exchange in the traditional sense. It's primarily a non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet. But what exactly does that mean, and why is that distinction so important? A cryptocurrency exchange, like Binance or Coinbase, acts as a marketplace. It's a platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. When you use a centralized exchange, you typically deposit your funds onto their platform. This means the exchange holds your private keys, making them the custodian of your assets. While convenient for trading, this also introduces a level of risk. If the exchange is hacked or faces regulatory issues, your funds could be at risk because you don't directly control the private keys. On the other hand, a non-custodial wallet like Bifrost Wallet puts you, the user, in complete control. Non-custodial means that only you have access to your private keys. These keys are securely stored on your device, not on Bifrost servers. Think of your private keys as the actual ownership deeds to your crypto. If you hold the keys, you own the crypto. If a third party holds the keys, you're essentially trusting them with your assets. This self-custody model is a cornerstone of decentralization and a key security feature, eliminating the risk associated with a centralized entity holding your funds. So, if Bifrost Wallet isn't an exchange, what can it do? Bifrost Wallet is designed to be a secure and intuitive platform for managing your crypto portfolio. You can send, receive, and securely store a wide array of cryptocurrencies and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Dogecoin, Flare, and many more across various blockchains. It also features an in-app dApp browser, allowing you to explore and interact with decentralized applications like Uniswap directly from your wallet. This means you can participate in DeFi activities without ever handing over your private keys to a third party. While Bifrost Wallet isn't an exchange, it does offer features that allow for some exchange-like functionality. For instance, it often integrates with third-party swap services, enabling you to buy crypto with fiat currency or swap one cryptocurrency for another directly within the app. However, it's crucial to understand that these swaps are facilitated by external services, not by Bifrost Wallet acting as an exchange itself. Bifrost Wallet simply provides the interface and connectivity to these services, maintaining its non-custodial nature throughout the process. The security of a non-custodial wallet like Bifrost is paramount. It relies on you, the user, safeguarding your recovery phrase, also known as a seed phrase. This phrase is the master key to your wallet. If you lose it or it falls into the wrong hands, your funds could be compromised. Bifrost Wallet prioritizes security by keeping private keys on your device, not in the cloud, and has undergone independent security audits. However, the ultimate responsibility for keeping your assets safe lies with you and how diligently you protect your recovery phrase. In essence, Bifrost Wallet empowers you to be your own bank. It's a tool for self-custody, giving you direct control over your digital assets. While it offers features that allow for seamless interaction with the broader crypto ecosystem, including integrated swap services, it fundamentally operates as a secure, non-custodial wallet, distinctly different from a centralized crypto exchange. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.